everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be showing off some of VillaBeautifful's newest releases coming on January 29th, so let's go ahead and take a look. So this first set is called a VB Pretty Pack. This is a special collab with Grumpy Bear Sticker Co, and it features a sticker sheet, enamel pin, and 2 VB pins, so let's look at those. First up, we have the enamel pin. This was designed by Megan of Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. If you've been with her shop for a while, you know this is one of her signature stickers. I absolutely love her backpacks. And the bow and the pouch both have really pretty glitter detailing on it. Cannot wait to add this to my enamel pin corkboard. Next up, we have this fun sticker sampler with 2 full boxes, a couple of Grumpy Bear labels, and then the bottom has some of my favorite designs from the Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. shop. I love the planner cart and the washi stack. So many fun designs on this one. And the first of the Grumpy Bear COLLAB VB pins, we've got Candy Skies. This one has all silver hardware and a really pretty pastel mix of blues, pinks, and iridescent crystals. And the second of the Grumpy Bear COLLAB VB pins is Love Jizz. This one has silver hardware, the prettiest pink barrel, and then the crystals are very light pink, iridescent clear, and it looks kind of like a light purple to me in the crystal mix. So pretty. And the VB Pretty Packs come packaged in this really pretty pink and clear envelope, so it's great to reuse for gifting, for a quick storage solution. You all know how much I love to find ways to reuse things, and this is great for that. Next up is part of the regular pin release. This is not part of the Pretty Pack. This has to be ordered individually. This is Rose Quartz. It has a really gorgeous white shimmery barrel, rose gold hardware, and then this is the beautiful crystal mix. And lastly, we have the Fox and Pip collab pin. This one is called VillaBeautifful, which is the perfect name for a collab between VillaBeautifful and Fox and Pip. I love it. Y'all know how much I love my blacks and pinks, so this is such a great color scheme together. Black hardware, a really pretty light pink barrel, and then of course the all black crystal mix. I love this one. I think it's going to look really good with my second favorite pin, which is Tiffy. Okay, so this is Tiffy. This is the one that I designed as part of the VillaBeautifful contest she had in her Facebook group. And this is Fox and Pip, so you can see that it is a much more vibrant pink than the Tiffy, whereas Tiffy is kind of a super light pink. And I just love these two together. And again, this is all part of the January VB Pin new releases coming January 29th, 1 p.m. Pacific time, 4 p.m. Eastern time, so go ahead and set those alarms. If you haven't already, head to the VillaBeautifful website and sign up for email alerts so that for future releases you have all of this information way in advance. Don't forget to also join the VillaBeautifful Facebook group where you can find tons of information and inspiration from fellow Villa babes. So just as a quick recap, we have the Fox and Pip collab, Rose Quartz, and these 2 pins, this enamel pin and this sticker sheet, all come as part of the Grumpy Bear collab Pretty Pack. I am so excited to see what all you get. Let me know in the comments if you're shopping, what is top of your wish list, and I hope to see all of your pictures in the coming weeks on the VillaBeautifful Facebook group and on Instagram. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!